All right, let's be honest. You're over 60, and that spark you used to have, it's gone. And I think we both know exactly what I'm talking about here. Not energy, not strength, that other thing. The one you don't mention to your buddies at the coffee shop. The one that makes you avoid eye contact with your wife some nights. Here's what most men don't know. There's an ancient remedy so simple you'll be tempted to dismiss it completely. Something that could help bring back what you thought was gone for good. I'm talking about castor oil. Yes, that big golden oil your grandmother kept in the medicine cabinet. And before you click away, thinking this is internet nonsense, hear me out, because as a urologist, I can tell you this actually works. So what are the real challenges men over 60 face when it comes to intimacy and vitality? It's more than just getting older. Your body goes through specific physiological changes that directly impact performance. And most men have no idea these are even happening until it's almost too late. First, blood flow decreases as your arteries become less flexible and circulation slows, especially to the areas that matter most for firmness. Second, tissue stiffness sets in as penile tissues lose elasticity and microscopic scarring quietly builds up, leading to discomfort or changes in function. Third, chronic inflammation, that low-grade persistent fire throughout the pelvic area, silently limits performance and sensation without you even realizing it's there. Fourth, nerve sensitivity declines, as those delicate nerves responsible for pleasure become less responsive. And fifth, skin changes as it becomes thinner, drier, more fragile. Look, I get it. These changes can feel like betrayal. But here's the thing. We can fight back. So what exactly is castor oil, and why should you care? This humble, thick, pale yellow oil has been used for thousands of years, from ancient Egypt to traditional Indian medicine, for healing, pain release, and inflammation. But what makes it particularly powerful for male intimate wellness is something most men have never heard about. The secret lies in ricinoleic acid. This unique fatty acid makes up nearly 90% of castor oil's composition. And here's where it gets interesting. A study published in Phytotherapy Research showed that men who applied ricinoleic acid topically for just 4 weeks experienced up to 35% improvement in tissue blood flow. That's comparable to some medications, but without a single side effect. Think of it like premium oil for your engine. Your body after 60 needs better fuel, not just more fuel. And between you and me, this isn't about instant miracles or magic cures. This is about a gentle, persistent, daily ritual that actually supports healing from the inside out. It's accessible, affordable, and when used consistently, profoundly powerful. So how does this work? Simple. It's all about that ricinoleic acid doing 5 remarkable things when you apply it topically. Here's what consistent application can do for you. First, it boosts circulation down there. Your blood vessels are like small rivers flowing through your body. As we age, those rivers get sluggish. Debris clogs them. Flow slows to a trickle. Ricinoleic acid stimulates blood flow when applied to the skin, bringing more oxygen-rich blood to the intimate areas, supporting tissue function and contributing to stronger, more reliable erections over time. It clears the path so the river can flow freely again. Second, it breaks down tissue stiffness. Imagine your intimate tissues accumulating microscopic stiffness over the years, hardening like clay that needs softening. Castor oil penetrates deeply and softens tissues, helping to break down minor adhesions or stiffness in the penile and perineal areas. Greater flexibility, more comfort, that more youthful feeling you remember. Third, it reduces chronic inflammation. Many age-related issues are fueled by silent inflammation in the pelvic area. Ricinoleic acid is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. By gently reducing this inflammation, castor oil alleviates discomfort, improves sensation, and creates a healthier environment for optimal function. Picture pouring cool water on an irritated, burning area. Fourth, it supports nerve health. Those delicate nerves can become less sensitive with age, impacting pleasure and arousal. The circulatory and anti-inflammatory properties create an optimal environment for nerve health, potentially helping restore lost sensation. Your nerves have been trying to send signals through static for years. Castor oil clears the line. Suddenly, the connection is crystal clear again. And fifth, it nourishes delicate skin, providing intense hydration and forming a protective barrier, keeping skin supple, healthy, and comfortable. Now let's talk about the practical part. How do you actually use this stuff? Here's the simple yet effective way to incorporate castor oil into your nightly routine. First, choose quality oil. Purchase 100% pure, cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil. This ensures you're getting the highest quality without unwanted chemicals. You can find it online or at most health food stores. Don't cheap out here. Quality matters. Second, prepare for application. It's best to apply this at night after showering and before bed. Fair warning, castor oil can stain fabric, so you might want to wear old underwear or pajamas you don't care about. Nobody wants to explain oil stains to their wife. Third, apply a small amount. Dispense just a few drops into your palm, perhaps a quarter teaspoon. You don't need much. Less is more here. Fourth, gentle application. Focus on the perineal area. That space between the base of your scrotum and your anus. Gently massage it toward the base of your penis and along the underside of the shaft. You can also apply a thin layer to the scrotal skin if desired, as it helps nourish fragile skin. The key is gentle, consistent massage to allow the oil to penetrate and stimulate blood flow. Do not apply directly inside the urethra or on the glands. Fifth, massage for 1 to 2 minutes. Spend a minute or two gently massaging until it's mostly absorbed. This gentle massage further stimulates circulation. And look, consistency is key here. Make this a nightly ritual. Most men tell me they start noticing changes within 3 to 4 weeks. Results are gradual, not instant, but incredibly rewarding. Let me share a story about a patient of mine that really drives this home. Edward, a thoughtful 68-year-old retired engineer from Pennsylvania. Edward came to me with this quiet sense of resignation in his eyes. "Doctor," he said, his voice tinged with sadness, "my energy isn't what it used to be. And honestly, intimacy with my wife Sarah has become a source of anxiety. We've been together over 40 years, and I feel like I'm losing that vital connection." I thought this was just the end of that chapter. He was wary of prescriptions. He wanted something natural. When I introduced him to castor oil and explained the consistent, gentle healing it could offer for blood flow, tissue flexibility, and nerve sensation, a flicker of hope appeared in his eyes. Edward, being an engineer, committed diligently to the routine. Every night after his shower, he would gently massage a few drops into the base of his penis and perineum. He also started taking short walks and focusing on hydration. Within just 2 months, the change was remarkable. At his follow-up, Edward wasn't just walking taller. His eyes sparkled with renewed confidence. "Doctor," he beamed, "it's absolutely incredible. I feel a comfort down there I haven't felt in years. And with Sarah, that spark, that connection, it's back. This simple routine has been a genuine gift." Now, before we finish, I need to be clear about something important. While castor oil can be a powerful natural tool, it's not a substitute for proper medical care. If you're experiencing persistent or severe issues like chronic erectile dysfunction, significant pelvic pain, unusual lumps, blood in your urine or semen, or any other concerning symptoms, you need to see your doctor immediately. Don't let embarrassment or fear prevent you from seeking care. Your well-being is too important to neglect. I've sat with thousands of men who waited too long. Your journey to renewed confidence and a more vibrant, intimate life starts right now with this simple daily action. Here's what I want you to do. Go to your local health store or order online today and get pure cold-pressed castor oil. Commit to that nightly 1 to 2 minute massage ritual. It's a small, tangible step you can take immediately. Most men who stick with this for just 30 days notice real, meaningful changes. You're not asking for miracles. You just want to feel normal again. And honestly, you deserve better than empty promises. Commit to that nightly 1 to 2 minute massage ritual. It's a small, tangible step you can take immediately. Most men who stick with this for just 30 days notice real, meaningful changes. You're not asking for miracles. You just want to feel normal again. And honestly, you deserve better than empty promises. I'm Dr. Victoria Lee, and I want to thank you for trusting me with this information. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button for more honest, practical guidance on men's health after 60. No judgment, no embarrassment, just real solutions that actually work. The kind of information your doctor probably never shared with you, because frankly, most of them don't know about it either. And do me a favor, share this with a buddy who might be quietly struggling, someone at the coffee shop, your brother, your neighbor. Your simple act of sharing could genuinely change someone's life. Sometimes the best thing you can do for a friend is give them knowledge that brings hope back. Remember, you're not past your prime. You're just entering a chapter where the right knowledge makes all the difference.